A single creature has survived the vacuum of space, and another can rewind its own death. These are just the tip of the iceberg. Stay with me as we count down the 10 most mind-blowing animal discoveries, and you won't believe what awaits at number 1. Surprisingly, the humble tardigrade can endure the harshness of outer space, surviving vacuum, extreme radiation, and temperatures ranging from near absolute zero to over 150 degrees Celsius. Researchers launched these 8-legged microanimals aboard a satellite, later retrieving them alive after weeks exposed to the vacuum and solar radiation. Their secret lies in a protein called DSUP, which shields DNA, and a desiccated state called cryptobiosis that halts metabolism. This resilience reshapes our understanding of life's limits and fuels speculation about panspermia, the possibility that life could hitch rides between planets. As we marvel at these indestructible critters, prepare for the next marvel, a creature that can cheat death by literally turning back its biological clock.
Imagine a jellyfish that can reset its life cycle, effectively achieving biological immortality. The tiny Turritopsis dohrnii, discovered in the Mediterranean, can revert its mature medusa form back into a polyp when faced with stress or injury. This process, called transdifferentiation, allows it to start its life anew, bypassing death indefinitely under ideal conditions. Scientists study this phenomenon hoping to unlock clues about cellular aging and regeneration in higher organisms. While the jellyfish isn't truly immortal in the wild, predators and disease still pose threats. Its unique ability challenges our assumptions about senescence. Up next, a spider whose courtship is a kaleidoscope of color and motion that could rival any human performance.
Vivid displays of color burst from the tiny peacock spider, a creature barely the size of a grain of rice. Males raise flaps on their abdomen, flashing iridescent patterns while performing a rapid, rhythmic dance to entice females. The choreography includes vibrations transmitted through the substrate, a visual feast, and a subtle scent, an intricate multimodal courtship. Researchers using high-speed cameras have documented over a dozen distinct dance moves, each species boasting its own signature routine. This complex behavior reveals that even minuscule arthropods can evolve sophisticated communication strategies, reshaping our view of insect social dynamics. Coming up, a fish that can literally shoot a stream of water at pinpoint accuracy to snatch prey from the air.
Unbelievable precision defines the archerfish, which fires a jet of water from its mouth to knock insects off overhanging leaves. The fish can calculate the refraction of light at the water-air interface, adjusting its aim to hit targets up to 2 meters away. Laboratory experiments show accuracy rates exceeding 80%, even when the target moves. This remarkable skill combines visual processing, muscular control, and an innate understanding of physics, an evolutionary marvel that blurs the line between instinct and problem-solving. As we admire this aquatic marksman, get ready for the next wonder, an amphibian that can regrow whole limbs and even parts of its brain.
Remarkably, the axolotl, a neotenic salamander native to Mexico's lakes, can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, heart tissue, and even portions of its brain without scarring. After injury, specialized cells form a blastema, a mass of undifferentiated cells that proliferate and differentiate into the missing structures. Studies suggest that the animal retains embryonic gene expression patterns into adulthood, granting it this unparalleled healing capacity. Scientists hope to translate these mechanisms into medical therapies for humans, though the complexity of human tissue poses challenges. While the axolotl's abilities sound like science fiction, they are real and observable in laboratory settings. Next, we'll plunge into the ocean's most explosive predator, a shrimp that creates a bubble-powered shockwave louder than a gunshot.
Explosive power comes from the pistol shrimp, which snaps a specialized claw shut at such speed it generates a cavitation bubble. When this bubble collapses, it produces a shockwave reaching temperatures of about 5,000 degrees Celsius and a sound louder than 200 decibels, comparable to a gunshot underwater. The burst also creates a flash of light, a phenomenon known as sonoluminescence. This astonishing weapon allows the shrimp to stun or kill prey, as well as to communicate across distances. Researchers study the mechanics of this snap to inspire new underwater acoustic technologies and even medical ultrasound devices. As we marvel at this tiny marine demolition expert, prepare for the next massive marvel, the heart of the ocean's largest fish.
Massive yet gentle, the whale shark possesses the largest heart of any living animal, weighing up to 600 kilograms and beating only about 6 times per minute. This colossal organ pumps blood through a body that can exceed 12 meters in length, supplying oxygen to a network of gill arches that filter plankton from the water. The heart's slow rhythm reflects the shark's low metabolism lifestyle, allowing it to glide effortlessly across oceanic expanses. Recent tagging studies have revealed migration routes spanning thousands of kilometers, underscoring the species' ecological importance. While its sheer size is awe-inspiring, the next creature on our list endures searing desert heat that would melt most living tissue.
Defying the blistering Sahara sun, the silver can sprint across sand heated to 70 degrees Celsius, temperatures that would quickly incapacitate other insects. Its reflective, silvery hairs bounce sunlight away, while specialized proteins in its hemolymph act as molecular heat shields. The ant's foraging window lasts a mere few minutes each day, during which it races to collect dead insects before predators appear. Researchers have examined its physiology to inspire heat-resistant materials and cooling technologies. This tiny desert marathoner illustrates nature's capacity to engineer survival under extreme conditions. Up next, a marine crustacean whose eyes rival the visual acuity of any known animal.
Stunningly, the mantis shrimp wields eyes composed of up to 16 photoreceptor types, far more than the human's 3, allowing it to perceive polarized light and a spectrum of colors beyond our vision. Each eye operates independently, granting a nearly 360-degree field of view. Coupled with a strike that accelerates faster than a bullet, the shrimp can detect and react to prey with split-second precision. Its visual system has inspired advances in optical sensors and camera technology, aiming to replicate its unparalleled color discrimination. As we marvel at this underwater predator's sight, brace yourself for the grand finale, the planet's biggest animal, a leviathan that dwarfs all others.
Supreme in scale, the blue whale holds the title of the largest animal ever known to walk, or rather, swim, the earth, stretching up to 30 meters and weighing as much as 200 tons. Its heart alone can pump 10,000 liters of blood per beat, and its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. Despite its massive size, the whale feeds almost exclusively on tiny krill, filtering up to 4,000 kilograms of the crustaceans daily through its baleen plates. Acoustic recordings reveal that blue whales communicate using low-frequency songs that can travel across entire ocean basins, a testament to their profound influence on marine ecosystems. This astonishing giant reminds us that nature's capacity for scale knows no bounds, capping a countdown of discoveries that forever altered our perception of what life can achieve.
What a journey through nature's most astonishing secrets. From microscopic survivors to the planet's colossal giants, each discovery reminds us how much we still have to learn. If you enjoyed this awe-inspiring countdown, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing list we release every week. Which revelation left you speechless? Share your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep marveling at the wonders of the animal kingdom.